Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, we studied all tenses. We saw the structures of all tenses. We saw the comparison of simple present and present continuous, also simple past and past perfect. We also studied where to use present perfect tense and where to use simple past tense. In the previous video, we took an exercise on identifying tenses. In today's video, we shall see the examples of changing the tenses. This test is for 25 marks. I am giving you 25 sentences. You have to change the sentences according to the given instructions. First, I am giving you 25 sentences. Write all the sentences in your copy. Watch the video till end. In the ending, I am giving you the answers of all these sentences. You have to check your answers and see the score. Let us start. First sentence. Nilima is writing a letter. Change into simple present tense. Second sentence. She cleans utensils. Change into present continuous tense. Third is Rajan plays football. Change into present perfect tense. Fourth sentence. Hina has completed her project. Change into past perfect tense. Next sentence. Kunal is running very fast. Change into simple present tense. Next sentence. Meena is suffering from fever. Change this sentence into past continuous tense. Then, they live in Chennai. Change into present perfect continuous tense. Then, she made a garland. Change into past perfect. Next sentence. Sweetie is making omelets. Change into past perfect tense. Next, Varun has finished his work. Change into simple past. Then, Pallavi didn't accept the challenge. Change into present perfect tense. Next sentence. Mayuri left for Pune. Change into simple past tense. 13th sentence. Lina shouted very loudly. Change into past perfect tense. 14th. I have talked to my friends. Change into past continuous tense. Next sentence. The boys are playing on the ground. Change into past perfect continuous tense. 16th sentence. I am going to Mumbai next Sunday. Change into simple future tense. She goes to market. Change into simple past tense. Next sentence. He spent all his money in gambling. Change into present perfect tense. Next. She is living with her parents. Change into present perfect continuous tense. Next. I will meet you. Change into future perfect tense. Next. He will attend the meeting. Change into future continuous tense. 22nd sentence. Marathas fought very bravely. Change into past perfect tense. Next, she wants to attend the class. Change into simple past tense. Next, did you complete your homework? Change into present perfect tense. Last sentence, the shopkeeper sells his goods. Change into present perfect tense. Now I am giving the answers with explanation. You have to check your answers. If your answers are wrong, you have to correct them. Give the marks out of 25. See the answers. First sentence, Nilima is writing a letter. This is present continuous tense. You have to change it into simple present tense. See here. Here the main verb is right. Subject is Nilima. It is third person singular. So, here S is added after the main verb. So, the answer will be Nilima writes a letter. Second sentence, she cleans utensils. You have to change it into present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, is, am or are plus ing form of verb is added. Here she is the subject, so she is cleaning utensils. The links of videos on tenses are given in the description box. Third sentence, Rajan plays football. Change into present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, have or has plus V3 means past participle, third form of verb is used. Here Rajan is third person singular and therefore has. So the answer will be Rajan has played football. Next sentence, Hina has completed her project. Change into past perfect continuous tense. In past perfect continuous tense, had been plus ing form of verb is used. So Hina had been completing her project. Next sentence, Kunal is running very fast. In simple present tense, Kunal runs very fast. Kunal is third person singular and therefore runs. Next sentence, Meena is suffering from fever. In past continuous, we shall write Meena was suffering from fever. In past continuous tense, was or were plus ing form of verb is taken. Meena is third person singular and therefore was. Next sentence, they live in Chennai. Change into present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous, has or have plus been plus ing form of verb is added. Here is the subject they, so have been. The answer is they have been living in Chennai. Next sentence, she made a garland. Change into past perfect. The answer is she had made a garland. Next sentence, Sweetie is making omelets. Change into past perfect. In past perfect, had plus V3. So the answer is Sweetie had made omelets. Next sentence, Varun has finished his work. Change into simple past. In simple past, V2 is taken. So the answer is Varun finished his work. Next sentence, Pallavi didn't accept the challenge. Change into present perfect. In present perfect, has or have plus V3 is taken. Here the subject is Pallavi, so has plus V3. The answer is Pallavi has not accepted the challenge. See here, the sentence is negative. So you have to place not between helping verb and main verb. The answer is Pallavi has not accepted the challenge. The next sentence, Mayuri left for Pune. Change into present continuous. Here the answer is Mayuri is leaving for Pune. See here, in the sentence left is given, it is V2. The sentence is in simple past tense. You have to change into present continuous. Mayuri is third person singular and therefore we place is and first form plus ing. The base form is leave. So the answer is Mayuri is leaving for Pune. The next sentence, Leena shouted very loudly. Change into past perfect. Answer is Leena had shouted very loudly. Next sentence, I have talked to my friends. Change into past continuous. In past continuous, was or were plus ing form of verb is taken. So the answer is I was talking to my friends. Next sentence, the boys are playing on the ground. Change into past perfect tense. The answer is the boys had played on the ground. Next sentence, I am going to Mumbai next Sunday. Change into simple future tense. In simple future tense, shall or will plus V1 is taken. So the answer is I shall go to Mumbai next Sunday. Next sentence, she goes to market. Change into simple past. In simple past, V2 is taken. The second form of go is went. So the sentence will be she went to market. Next sentence, he spent all his money in gambling. Change into present perfect tense. In present perfect, we use have or has plus V3. Here the subject is he, so has. The answer is he has spent all his money in gambling. Next sentence, she is living with her parents. Change into present perfect continuous tense. Here the answer is she has been living with her parents. Next sentence, I will meet you. Change into future perfect tense. The sentence is given in simple future tense. Will plus V1. You have to change into future perfect. In future perfect, will have plus V3 is taken. So the answer is I will have met you. Then next sentence, he will attend the meeting. Change into future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, shall or will plus be plus ing form of verb is taken. Here the answer is he will be attending the meeting. Then the next sentence, Marathas fought very bravely. Change into past perfect tense. The answer is Marathas had fought very bravely. Next sentence, she wants to attend the class. Change into simple past tense. See here, in this sentence, main verb is wants. Don't be confused with wants and to attend. Here to attend is to infinitive. Main verb is wants. Here you have to change the sentence into simple past. You have to take V2 of want. So the answer will be she wanted to attend the class. Next sentence, Did you complete your homework? Change into present perfect tense. See here, in the given sentence, the tense is simple past. Did plus V1 means simple past tense. Here complete is main verb. You have to change the sentence into present perfect tense. In present perfect, we take has or have plus V3. Here the subject is you, so you have to take the helping verb have. How will be the sentence? Have you completed your homework? This sentence is interrogative. It is verbal question and therefore in the beginning there is helping verb. Then last sentence. The shopkeeper sells his goods. Change into present perfect tense. Here the shopkeeper is subject. It is third person singular and therefore while changing into present perfect tense you have to take has plus V3. Here the main verb is sell. Its third form is sold. So the answer is the shopkeeper has sold goods. How many answers are correct? Give 1 mark to each correct answer. Check your score out of 25. Did you enjoy the test? Do write in the comment box. See the links of videos on tenses and other grammar topics in the description box. Watch the upcoming videos for more grammar topics. Subscribe the channel to get the notification of the upcoming videos.